In this video, I'll show you how to fix your Wi-Fi issues with your iPad 11 with the A16 chip. There's different tips that I want to share with you. The easiest of them, once you encounter any Wi-Fi issues, is to do a restart of your iPad. It will not delete anything. It's not a factory reset. To do this, simply drag down from the top right corner. You see there is a power button. Keep it pressed during 1 second. You're gonna get this slider, slide towards the right to power off your iPad. Wait around 2 seconds and then press the power button until you see the Apple logo appearing on your display. Here we go. Now wait a few seconds and the iPad will boot up, and fortunately, once it come back alive, you won't have any Wi-Fi problems. If you're still having issues, what I recommend is that you go to your Wi-Fi router, you unplug it from the power outlet, so just remove it, and then plug it back after waiting 2 minutes. Many times, the problem is not with your iPad, it's with your Wi-Fi router. So by doing this, after it comes back, connect to it and everything should work. If nothing worked, you can reset the Wi-Fi of your iPad. To do that, simply press the settings, go into General, then all the way down, select Transfer or Reset iPad, select Reset, and over here you have Reset Network Settings. By network settings, it means Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So both of these will be resetted. If you tap over here, type your password of your iPad, wait a few seconds after that, and you'll have to reconnect your iPad to your Wi-Fi network, because only that will be resetted. The rest will still be there. There's no apps that will get deleted, no pictures, nothing, just the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. All right, so at this point, if you're still having issues after trying everything, the error could come because you have connected your iPad to a VPN. So into the settings options, if you go, let me exit here. I don't want to do this reset. Go into General, and then down below, you should see VPN and Device Management. By tapping over here, if you have a VPN connected to your iPad, disconnect yourself from it, delete it, all right? Many times, this is what is causing the issues. So after doing that, test out your iPad, and if it works, well, you knew that it was the VPN. So this is about it. If you have any other tips on how to solve this very annoying issue, please leave a comment down below, or leave a comment if one of my tips worked. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.